Hey there! Today I'm going to show you how to build this easy one-board bench that you can use as extra seating around your dining table, on your entryway, bedroom, or anywhere in your home. The simple design and gorgeous hairpin legs make this a perfect, easy project for us beginner woodworkers. Begin by cutting a 2x12 common board to size. I recommend you trim the edge first, then cut the other end to size. If you don't have a saw, most big box stores like Lowe's or Home Depot will cut it down for you for free or for a small fee. Sand the surface and the edges of the board until smooth. You can find the link to my favorite lightweight yet powerful cordless sander in the description below. Apply your finish of choice. I chose a medium brown stain, which I applied with a clean rag, and I also applied 3 coats of top coat, sanding with fine grit paper in between coats for a smooth matte finish. Now it's just a matter of adding the beautiful hairpin legs. They go on easy as pie with a few screws. And this kit even comes with floor protectors. You can find a link to the exact legs I used in the description below. That's it, girls. This bench is easy, classy, and functional. Leave me a comment and tell me where you're going to put it once you build it. And if you share my obsession with benches, check out these other builds. You can find the step-by-step tutorials and free plans for all of them on my website. If you like simple wood projects like this one, make sure you subscribe so you never miss a video. I'm especially passionate about teaching women how to get started woodworking with easy, doable projects. Have fun and keep up the good work.